here at the Summer Palace, guys. So we got our ticket online. So ticket information will be on description box. Char. Lalagay ko na lang yung info. So we just used the QR and yeah, it was easy. We are now crossing the bridge. Bridge to siya. At ito yung malaking lake nila. So we got this ticket for two, 50 yuan for one person. So yung boat, malaki siya. Compared to this other two, they're more smaller. Another ticket going back kasi the ticket is only for one way from the bridge, and in here you need to get a new one. So 50 each yuan, the same siya. So our second stop for today, we are here at Lama Temple. The tickets here is 25 yuan each. So this is the entrance going inside. It's kind of nice in here though because it's all like trees surrounded. It's more like shadowed.
The first thing in front of us should be the
So this temple, guys, it's more on prayer. Like if magpe-pray ka or you have a wish, you can come here and do your prayer. So it's like every temple, guys, they have the prayer section. Yan, like everywhere, maraming smokes kasi doon sila naglalagay. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag yung Chinese sticks nila for prayer. So, yan.
You don't want it?
We are now here in our last stop for today, guys, at Beihai Park. Beihai, I don't know how does it properly pronounced, but yung ticket, it is 10 yuan each. Okay guys, yung public toilet nila dito ay ganito siya. Ay, old style. Saka na po mi dire. Ay go. Ay, my legs are sore. So we went down from there. God, I'm so tired, guys.
Ooh.
This is Beihai Park, guys. This is more on like walking. Like if you just want to walk with your family or take pictures. Nothing much around here. Parang ito lang yung maganda yung nakita ko here.